So now we're going to look at our animal research. And your animal is parrot. So after you write your name right up here, you're going to come down here and you're going to write parrot. Dive down P, magic C, A. Dive down R, magic C, O. Dive down T. So we wrote the word parrot. Now we are going to write, oops, sorry about that, the size of the parrot. And from the reading, I know that between 4 and 40 inches. Dive down I, dive down N, magic C, dive down H. Hit the ball, run around the base for the E, magic C, S. So what we want to do now is go to color. Well, you know, like I know, that they have many colors. So we can put some colors like red, magic C, D. We could put another color like a yellow, dive down L's, magic C, O, sliding W. And you know I've seen them have green, magic C, G, dive down R, hit the ball, dive down N. So I think you certainly could add more colors, but I know that parrots are definitely those colors. And what type of covering do they have? So they don't have fur, but they do have feathers. Dive down F, hit the ball, run around the base for the E, magic C, A, dive down D, dive down H, hit the ball, run around the base for the E, dive down R, magic C, S for feathers. Now that's all you have to do for writing for one day. That's one page, one day. So on day 2, we can then write about location. And from the reading or the website, the Britannica, we learned that they live in tropical regions. So we're going to write dive down T for tropical. Dive down R, magic C-O, dive down P, dive down I, magic C-A, dive down L. Tropical, I'm going to put regions down here. Dive down R, hit the ball, run around the base for the E, magic C-G, dive down I, magic C-O, dive down N, magic C-S, tropical regions. So now we're going to write their habitat. So they live in the rainforest, or we can say even tropical forest if we want. Dive down T again, dive down R, magic C-O, dive down P, dive down I, magic C-A, dive down L. Tropical, and then we'll write forest. Dive down F, magic C-O, dive down R, hit the ball, run around the base for the E, magic C-S, dive down T, the tropical forest. And what type of home? Well, we know that from our reading that they live in nests in trees. So we'll put our dive down N, hit the ball, run around the base for the E. There's our magic C-S, dive down T, magic C-S, nests. We can put in, I-N, we know that word, and then trees, dive down T, dive down R, hit the ball, magic C, S. They live in nests in trees. So that is the end of page 2. So that's all you have to do for day 2. And then day 3, we'll learn about eating. We'll write the eating and moving and sleeping. So we learned that they eat seeds, fruits, and insects. So let's do magic CS. Hit the ball and run around for 2 E's. Magic CD. Magic CS. So we know seeds and then fruits. Dive down F. Dive down R. Dive down U. Dive down I. Dive down T. Magic CS. Seeds, fruits, and the last one is insects. Dive down I, dive down N, magic CS. Hit the ball and run around for the E, magic C. Dive down T. Just barely made my S in there. Phew. Now, how do they move? Well, they definitely climb on the trees, I'm sure of it. I think we read that, so I'm going to write climb, magic C, dive down L, dive down I, dive down M, 2 hills, dive down B, up, around, and bump the B, so they climb. And then, of course, if they have feathers, they fly. Dive down F, dive down L, slide, slide for the Y. And then for sleeping, I think the only thing I know from our reading is that they sleep in nests. So we're going to write nests. Dive down N, hit the ball, run around the base for the E, magic CS, dive down T, magic CS, nests in, we know that one, trees. Dive down T, dive down R, hit the ball and run around, hit the ball and run around, magic CS. So that is the end of chapter 3 and day 3. And then this is the easy one. This is where you go and find a picture from the internet. Or I bet you could even draw a picture of a parrot here. And then the last part is resources. And we're going to scroll down till we see website because we got our information from the Britannica. So I'm going to write Britannica, which is kind of a long word, but here we go. B, dive down R, dive down I, dive down T, magic CA, dive down N, dive down N again, dive down I, magic C, magic CA, Britannica Kids. Let's see if we can make it fit. Big K, dive down I, magic CD, magic CS. Made it fit. And then the web address is kids. Here's our dive down K, dive down I, magic CD, magic CS, dot, then Britannica, dive down B, dive down R, dive down I, dive down B, magic CA, dive down N, dive down N, dive down I, whoops, magic C, magic CA, Then you leave a dot, and I think we'll put calm over here. Magic C, O, dive down M and 2 hills. Phew, that was quite a lot. But that's it. That is all we needed to do on day 4. And now we are done. In 4 days, maybe on Friday you could do the coloring picture or find a picture on the web. We have our animal research packet all done. Way to go. Thanks for doing your best always. Bye now.